So just a real quick video from me here on Mrs. M Recommends. Yes, some of my most favourite things that I like to use. I know I get a lot of questions from ladies about what do I use, what makeup do I use, what hair products do I use, blah, blah, blah. Well, I'm here to tell you all. Well, one product I am really loving at the minute is this, and it's by Garnier Skincare, and it's called the Replumping Shot. Now, I've been using this for about 4 weeks, and I've been using it about 3 times a week for 4 weeks, and I have really noticed a difference. I'm one of them people who has like skin that needs a bit more moisture, and what this contains is hyaluronic acid, and that is really good for getting moisture back into the skin. Now, you could just use it just once, and probably if you've got, you know, very good skin, then you would probably find a difference after the first go. But I used it for a month, and I have to say it is fantastic. And the price point is fantastic too. I think I got this on an offer on 3 for 2, and it was $2.99 each. So they are super affordable, as well as work well. Well, they do for my skin anyway. So maybe it's that time of year, you know, where you're just about to switch the central heating off and you just need to give your skin a boost. Or is it summer where it's been blazing hot and again you just need to get some extra moisture into that skin. So what do you use? Well, they've got a little tissue part at the top and they've got the liquid at the bottom. What you do, there is a guide at the back, but I'll show you what you do, is you fold one half in, you fold the other half in, and you give it a real good squeeze. So give it a real good squeeze, and then all the liquid goes up into the tissue, and then you simply put the tissue on your face for 15 minutes. And the best thing about this is when you take the tissue off, leave that moisture on, just pat it gently into your skin and let all that good stuff, you know, get in on your skin. It is fantastic. I can highly recommend this one. I think it all does depend on skincare products as to what type of skin you have. But for me, who tends to err on dry skin, but then again, sometimes in the summer it can go real combination as well, so it never really knows what it wants to do. It's done wonders, and I really do feel like it's, you know, probably plumped it up a little bit more, put some extra moisture in. I also have a really good moisturiser that I use that contains hyaluronic acid too, and I'm going to be telling you about those over the next coming weeks. I'm just testing another couple out to see which I prefer, because of course I want you to have the best. Mrs. M Recommends, of course. Also, Garnier have also done the vitamin C shot. I'm going to do a separate video on that in a moment. So you'll be able to find out more about what I thought about that one as well. But give it a go. 15 minutes, that's all it takes. 3 times a week for a start. And then I suppose after like a month, like what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do maintenance. So I'll probably just use it maybe once or twice a week, and then reduce down to once a week. But you know, my skin after the central heating had been on all winter really did need a little bit of TLC, and what a price. Can't beat it. So go and get yourself some, ladies. I have put some details down below as to where you can get them if you want to, or find them yourselves. But have a go.